Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here. Before getting right into the content of the video, I want to let you know I am not a financial advisor or CPA. Please do your own due diligence before making a decision and always consult a professional. CRO coin. Let's get right into it. We can see a lot of volatility here with this crypto asset. Let's take a look at the one-day chart. So we can see the peaks and dips. It's a very volatile asset like any cryptocurrency. And we're currently sitting at about 18 cents at the time of this recording. Now let's check the 7-day chart. So we can see on the 7-day chart, it's a little over 19 cents. It dips a bit, picks up, and then there's a big dip right here where it goes under 15 cents and then recovers. And then it's currently at about a little over 18 cents. Again, just a reminder, this is a cryptocurrency, therefore it's prone to be extremely volatile. But there's a lot going on with this crypto asset that has me optimistic and makes me believe that there is huge potential. I'll go over some of this information. Crypto.com has come out with their own version of Visa cards where you can stake your CRO coin and receive cash back, all the way from 1% to 8%. There is also additional incentives such as rewards from Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia, Airbnb, etc. So these are all big brand names. What has also caught my attention is the concept of NFT, which I believe will be one of the catalysts that may propel CRO coin to reach $1 at the least. NFT stands for non-fungible token, and it appears this new wave of asset classes are taking the crypto market by storm. Big names such as Mark Cuban, Chamath, Gary Vee, and even Elon Musk have all started investing into NFTs. NFTs are going to change the way the world views art and collectibles. Now, what exactly is a non-fungible token? First, we need to understand the concept of fungibility, which is the ability of an asset to be readily exchanged for another of the like. For example, this could be gold, the USD, or even Bitcoin. But non-fungible means assets that are unique, irreplaceable, and one of a kind. This could be things like art and other types of unique collectibles. So now we understand the non-fungible part, but what does the token part mean? Token refers to the blockchain, essentially a digital certificate of authenticity that can be validated. This serves as proof of ownership and is a permanent record in transaction history that cannot be manipulated. Now, we all know Binance is currently the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, boasting of 100 million users worldwide. To give you some perspective, one Binance coin currently costs $536 USD at the time of this recording, and as you can see, second by second it is fluctuating as it's a cryptocurrency and it's extremely volatile. You can see for yourself right here. However, Crypto.com has not yet reached this level of user base at the time of this recording, but I believe if they continue to be innovative by implementing new services and features, they could potentially reach a much more significant audience and user base, which directly would influence their CRO coin cryptocurrency. Prime examples of these innovations are their NFT platform and Visa cards earlier discussed. It might be that CRO coin is still at its early stages of development and there is more room for growth. I want to hear your thoughts on CRO coin. Are you investing into CRO coin? Comment below and share your thoughts. If you haven't already, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video to those who may not be informed. Thanks for watching.